Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this pet food maker below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the Petpumpkin Pet Food Maker, a machine that basically cooks homemade meals for your dog or cat with almost no work on your end. The biggest selling point here is that you don't need to chop anything at all. You just put your ingredients straight into the machine, and it automatically chops, heats, cooks, and stirs everything for you using one of its 5 smart cooking modes. It can actually make 8 different types of food textures, everything from dry, clumpy food to fluffy wet food, soups, pastes, meat floss, meat powder, and even raw diet options, so you can genuinely customize what you're feeding based on what your pet likes or needs. Capacity is solid too. It holds up to 4 liters and can cook up to 8 pounds of food in a single batch, which is enough to cover a whole week of meals for a medium-sized dog in one go. One really helpful feature is the built-in recipe system. You just enter some basic information about your pet, and it automatically gives you recipes with exact portion sizes for each meal and each day, including nutrients your pet might be missing. You can also plan meals for multiple pets or build recipes around specific ingredients you already have. Cleanup is genuinely simple too. There's only one barrel you need to clean, everything comes apart with one touch, and all the parts are dishwasher safe. It even has built-in auto-drying, deodorizing, and air purification, so it doesn't sit around smelling like leftover pet food. Right now, if you order this month, it also comes with a bonus pack, a cleaning brush, a food-safe silicone spoon, and 35 bags to keep your prepped food fresh. Overall, if you want to feed your pet fresh, homemade meals without spending hours chopping and cooking, the Petpumpkin Pet Food Maker genuinely makes that whole process easy. Dump in the ingredients, pick a mode, and you're done. I'll leave the link to this pet food maker in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.